को आगे बढ़ाते हुए मोहम्मद आसिफ कानपुर ये आपके सामने इंग्लिश में तकरीर पेश करेंगे। मोहम्मद आसिफ कानपुर।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला नबिय्यिही मुहम्मद सय्यिदिल मुरसलीन व अला आलिहि व सहबिही अजमईन। May praise be to Allah, the Creator of the worlds, and peace and blessings be upon His Prophet Muhammad, the head of all Hazrats, upon his family and all his companions. Dear audience, today I have the honor to speak some humble words about the head of our Prophet and the seal of prophethood, Sayyidina Muhammad. Allah bless him and give him peace, whom Allah called mercy for the world, saying, وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ إِلَّا رَحْمَةً لِلْعَالَمِينَ. And we have not sent you but as mercy for all the world. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa sallam was born in the noble Hashmi family of Quraysh tribe in 570 era. His father Abdullah died before his birth, later his mother Amina and grandfather Abdul Muttalib also passed away while he was a child. So he was brought up by his uncle Abu Talib. In his childhood, Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam was quite different from other children. He would never do anything mischievous. He did not take part in any of the silly games played by the other children or himself. Allah was protecting him from evil. He respected his relatives. He liked to help his uncle Abu Talib people, called him Al-Sadiq and Al-Amin, truthful and trustworthy. He was known as honest, kind and respectful person. Dear audience, the Arabian was in a legal condition. They had no literacy, no civilization, and no perfect religion. Women had no status society. They followed their religion of their forefathers, Sayyidina Ibrahim and Sayyidina Ismail. We salute him with the depth of our hearts. May the blessings of Allah and His success and peace. We should follow words of Allah and obey the order of Allah. Here I conclude my speech. وآخر دعوانا الحمد لله رب العالمين.
माशाअल्लाह, बहुत खूब, बहुत खूब।